Do you want to start your embroidery journey but don't know with what materials to start? I'm here to help you. In this video I will share with you 3 favorite materials what I always use in my embroidery. Watch this video till the end because number 3 will be the best option for beginners. It is very important for a beginner to start right and know what kind of materials to use for your brooches and embroidered earrings, as from the material you use depends your end result. Hi, my name is Margot and I'm jewelry designer, and I like to help creative people like you to find their creative journey and start right their beautiful jewelry. Option number 1, what you can start with is a felt. It's a soft felt. It will be good if you have embroidery hoop, because you can just hoop this kind of felt inside embroidery hoop and start your embroidery on the hoop. Number 2, I would suggest this kind of net, because you can as well use it for embroidery. Put this fabric inside my embroidery hoop. Then, for example, if I have small piece of felt left, or I need just a small piece of felt for my future brooch and I don't want to use a big one straight away, because it will be like in the middle there will be a hole and I can't use it anymore. Just for the economy, you can use this kind of small pieces of felt. You just sew on this small piece of felt to our net, and like that you can embroider your brooch or earrings on the hook. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and consider to subscribe to my channel, because on my channel there is a lot of different tutorials about embroidery brooches and earrings, and many more will come in the future. I will be very happy if you will join us on Telegram group as well. You can find it in description below this video and here as well. So join our community and stay tuned. And option number 3 is the best for the beginners. Actually, I like this fabric as well very much, and I usually embroider on this kind of felt. Why it's good? Because it's thin. In the meantime, it's hard. It is not soft like I showed you before, like this one. As you can see, this one is very soft and this one is not. And what is the good about this felt? It's very easy to start with. And for example, if you create this kind of brooches, it's very easy to embroider them on the hands, which is very, very important for the perfect result. And this was the main 3 fabrics I always use in my embroidery, in my brooches and my earrings. I will leave links below this video from where you can buy some of materials for embroidery, but I would highly recommend to go to your local shop where you can find the fabric, because like that you can understand and you can feel straight away what fabric they have, like it's a soft felt or it's a hard felt. It's very important to find the proper felt for your embroidery. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a lovely day.